Yet all this week I've been bringing you several different fragrances from Middle Eastern brand Ajmal, and I've still got a few more to come over the next few days. But today is all about this one that goes by the name of Zeal, which certainly looks the part, but to find out all about the scent inside this handsome looking bottle and whether it's worth picking up for yourself, stay tuned to this episode of Mags Frags. Yes, hello again and welcome to this latest episode of Mags Frags, where it's the fragrance that's the star of the show. My name's Paul and today's scent of the day is Zeal by Ajmal, which is a citrus aromatic fragrance that was launched way back in 2016 and it comes in an eau de parfum concentration. I bought this one from the Fragrance X website, but you can also pick it up here in the UK for under £20 from the makeup.uk website, which is a really good price for what you get with this one. Okay, so into the presentation, and the box comes in a dark burgundy colourway, and it features this geometric pattern that kind of runs all the way around it. And both the pattern and also the branding are in like a metallic holographic finish, so you're treated to like a rainbow of shiny colours as it catches the light. And like I've said all week, you can tell that this brand really take their presentation seriously, and even from the box design, it's as good as any other designer scent that you'll pick up on the high street. On the front of the box is the name Zeal, and then down below is the name of the house and also the size and the concentration. At the top is a small Ajmal logo, and then around the back is where you'll find all the product information. Finally, down at the bottom is where you'll find the barcode and also the batch code, and the batch code on this is 8000010076. Yeah, the bottle again looks really nice, and it comes in a square shaped like a ribbed glass design with a clear to deep red gradient. On the front is the name of the fragrance and also the name of the house, which are both printed in like a metallic chrome finish. And it's a pretty minimal design, but considering it's a 7-year-old fragrance, it has stood the test of time, and it does still look quite modern in my opinion. You get a large plastic click-on cap, which has also got this metallic chrome finish, and it does click into place really firmly, and it just all feels really solid and well made. The Atomizer is pretty good too, and as with all Ajmal fragrances that I've tested so far, this is no different, and it's presented really well, and it just feels a lot more premium quality than the price that you pay for it. Okay, so into the note breakdown, and the top notes in this one are lemon, bergamot and orange. In the heart we've got pine, lavender and geranium, and the base notes in this one are patchouli and vetiver. Okay, so this opens up really bright, fresh and effervescent with a combination of zesty citruses and some wild springtime florals. And from the opening through into the dry down, you are going to get a strong resemblance to the original Dior Sauvage EDT. It's probably about 80 to 85% similar to Sauvage, but this has brighter top notes and much earthier base notes. So although there's a period where this does smell very similar to the original, this does definitely go off in a slightly different direction, and it does have some different characteristics as it develops. The patchouli and the vetiver notes in this are way more noticeable, so like I say, it just has more of an earthy greenness to it, whereas the Sauvage is more about the ambroxan note, which is kind of a synthetic ambery musky kind of accord, so it is ever so slightly sweeter and a touch more smoothly rounded off. This includes a lot of the similar notes found in Sauvage, but the ratio is kind of different. And if you can imagine Sauvage as a line, it'd be a fairly smooth, consistent line, whereas this would be a bit more up and down with like a super bright citrusy opening and then a much darker dry down. I did also review the Curo from Ajmal a few days ago, which is a much more recent release, and I think this is probably a bit closer to the Sauvage DNA. However, this is still a great alternative and has better performance, I would say, albeit with just a bit more of a dirtier, grittier base layer. This is still a super mass appealing, super versatile fragrance though, and it produces a really clean shower gel like aroma that's super easy to wear, and it's going to get you tons of compliments. Yeah, this is an all year round, any occasion type fragrance, and anything that remotely smells like Sauvage will always be described as a super versatile scent. I think your more serious fragrance collectors and your enthusiasts out there are a little bit bored with this scent profile now, and it has been copied 1,000 times. But to anyone who isn't obsessed with fragrances and just looking for that one signature scent that kind of just does it all, you can't really do much better than this. And at under 20 quid, it's about the safest blind buy that you could actually make. It's perfect for men of any age, and you can wear this dressed up or you can wear it casually for any occasion. Okay, so in terms of performance, this is actually not bad at all, and out of all the Ajmal fragrances that I currently own, I'd say this one is one of the best, if not the best out of them. I don't have any of the super expensive premium Ajmal scents to compare this one to, but I am really impressed with how long this lasts and how well it projects. I get constant wafts from it throughout the day as I'm moving about, and I'd say that you're going to get maybe 7 to 8 hours of longevity comfortably out of this one. Yeah, so in summary, if you've got £20 burning a hole in your wallet, then I'd say get yourself on the web and pull the trigger on this one today. It's fantastic value for money, and it smells amazing. It's a really masculine, sexy smelling fragrance with really good performance and great presentation, so it'd also make for a really decent gift idea with Christmas approaching on the horizon. It is a great budget alternative to Dior Sauvage, and anyone on the lookout for a budget all-rounder, then you literally can't go wrong with this one. I'm going to give this a straight 10 out of 10 for value for money. Okay, so that's about it for this latest episode. I've got just a few more from this brand to give my thoughts on, and then I'm going to get back to reviewing some high street designer brands and talk about some new and interesting recent releases. I've also got plenty more non-fragrance related content lined up, so keep your eyes peeled in the Mags Frags extra playlist on the homepage of my channel for reviews based around tech, gadgets and loads of other dude related stuff. And as always guys, if you've got any value from this video and you found it useful in any way, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to also subscribe to the channel. It's also great to hear your opinions, your thoughts, your critiques on all of the fragrances that feature in these reviews. So don't forget to keep your comments coming down in that comments section. So once again, thank you very much for tuning in to this latest episode. Stay safe, keep smelling fresh, and I'll see you very soon for another one. Bye bye for now.